ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and today I'm doing a very exciting video. As in today's video, I'll be collaborating with Tress Wellness Wax Kit, and I'll be showing y'all how I wax my body at home. I know I love talking about anything that's beauty, skincare, showing y'all how I wax my body at home. I know waxing itself can be very pricey. Like, I think at European Wax Center to get a full leg is like $40 or $50, so yeah, it could get a little pricey. So yeah, if y'all want to save some money, keep a little change in your pocket, then keep watching this video. So the wax kit came with 5 scented beads. It came with peppermint, mint, lavender, lemon, and some plant, y'all. I do not know the name of the plant. It's the blue one y'all about to see here in a second. Boom, there you go. So here's just some more stuff that came in a wax kit. You do get some sticks to help you wax. You also get a pre-wax and after wax, so that help you as well. Okay, so this is the wax kit itself, and I think the design on it is super pretty and cute. It's also wrapped, so I'm obviously just taking off all the wrapping around it. And as y'all see, it comes with 2 little spray things, spray bottles, whatever. I guess you're gonna take off the cap off the pre-wax and after wax and put that on top. So that's a cool touch. And it comes with a cute little bucket so that it's easy to get the wax out if you need to clean it or anything. Okay, y'all, so this is just a little paper rim that goes around the wax so that no wax doesn't drip on the machine. And this is just the instruction book, thank you card, and a warranty card. So hold on to all that because you are going to need it. So for today's wax, I'm going to be using the peppermint beans, and I'm going to pour them right into the bucket. And on the instruction manual, it says to turn it completely hot, and once you see the beans melting, then put it on anywhere between 160 to 180. So I put mine just a little higher, but you know, it won't hurt. So guys, I'm trying to let my wax warm up a little bit over there. It does warm pretty quickly, so that is a good thing. That's a plus, because who want to sit there all day and wait for their wax to warm? Like, not me. So to this day, I'm still trying to find different remedies, different products just to help my skin look its best. So this is a journey within itself. Okay, so first I'm going to get the pre-wax, a little cotton round, and just spray it on the cotton swab. And I'm gonna just wipe my underarm because this is the area we're about to wax. Y'all, this is so funny getting on camera with like hairy armpits. They're not too bad, you know, like they're not terrible, but it's still funny. So I'm just gonna take one of these sticks that came with the wax kit. Hey guys, I'm just gonna zoom the camera in so y'all can see me apply it under my arm, snatch it off. So let's get into it. Oh, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. Okay, y'all. So when y'all hear that, y'all know it's about hard enough to pull. So I'm just gonna lift up some of that wax. Okay, y'all. Whew. Looks pretty good. Y'all see? Wow. So I'm gonna do one more layer just to get like this side of my underarm because I ain't really get like underneath down the side. I'm gonna take the after wax. Okay guys, so I just finished my wax and it is so smooth, y'all. Like, this is my first time getting my underarms waxed, like, and I did it myself. So this is my first time getting my underarms waxed and I did it myself. So yeah, my first time waxing my underarms was at home. So look at me, and Trust Wellness made that super, super easy, y'all. Like, literally my underarms look and feel really, really smooth. And I left the other side a little hairy so y'all can compare. Don't judge me. I'm gonna do the other side after this video, so don't judge, but I kept it a little hairy so y'all can compare. And I really didn't have much hair from the jump, but y'all could even see how the wax also like lifted up some of that dead skin and made my underarm appear lighter. And that's what I aim for when I wax. And that's actually why I wax, because I get very bad hyperpigmentation. So when I wax, that's kind of what I'm looking for my skin to brighten up a little bit. And I definitely do see the difference. So I did mention that it comes with a instruction book, and on the instruction book it just tells you about allergies, what to do and what not to do. If you've been waxed before, regardless if you went somewhere or you did it yourself, you know that within 24 hours, don't put nothing on your skin. Literally just water, just bathe. But other than that, no soap, nothing fragrance, nothing like that. Don't exfoliate, no mask, just let your skin be. And that's because all your pores are still open from literally yanking out all that hair. So keep in mind, do not put anything on your skin if you don't want to have allergic reactions. So yeah, and all that will be on this little paper. So when you guys purchase, please make sure to read this. And they do suggest that you do a patch test, just so that if you do have sensitive skin like me, you don't try it and then you're like, oh my god, what happened? Yeah, because y'all know if you have sensitive skin, at any given moment your skin can break out. So I do suggest doing the patch test. That's very, very important. But yeah, guys, I really hope that this video helped y'all waxing at home. I hope that it was easy, step by step. I try not to make it too hard, make it simple, straight to the point. Oh, but wait, guys, I forgot. If y'all are looking to purchase this wax kit, you can use my discount code. I'm gonna have it on the screen or in the description box below. So look out for that. But that is it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on my post notifications. So that is it for my video. I hope y'all enjoyed and I'll see y'all later. Mwah. Bye.